When it comes to choosing the right CRM for your enterprise, Salesflare versus Salesforce is a comparison you'll want to get right, especially if your goal is streamlined operations and maximizing ROI. But which one is actually best for large-scale businesses like yours? Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll be revealing the best option and a hidden gem that might be exactly what you need. First, let's dive into Salesforce. Salesforce has been a leader in CRM for years, offering a massive range of features that are highly customizable. You can tailor it to nearly any business process, making it powerful but also quite complex. The thing is, for large enterprises, that complexity can become a double-edged sword. While Salesforce offers robust automation, AI-driven insights, and reporting, it also requires heavy configuration and customization. This makes it time-consuming and often overwhelming for businesses to set up and maintain. Even though it's highly scalable, Salesforce's pricing model can get expensive quickly, especially for smaller departments in large enterprises. You're paying not only for the features, but also for the heavy customization and ongoing support that it demands. Next, let's talk about Salesflare. Unlike Salesforce, Salesflare positions itself as a much simpler, more intuitive solution. Salesflare is known for being a set-it-and-forget-it CRM, automating much of the data entry by syncing with your email and calendar. It's a great option if you don't have the time or resources to spend on complex configurations. Salesflare does an excellent job for teams that need ease of use without sacrificing some core features like pipeline management and customer tracking. However, for large enterprises, Salesflare falls short when it comes to customization. If you're looking for highly specialized workflows or enterprise-level reporting and analytics, Salesflare might not have the depth that Salesforce offers. The third thing we need to consider is integrations. Salesforce dominates in this area with its massive ecosystem. You'll find integrations with nearly every tool in the market, from marketing automation platforms to finance software. The sheer number of integrations makes it a great choice for enterprises with highly diverse needs. On the other hand, Salesflare also integrates with several major platforms, but its selection is more limited compared to Salesforce. So, if your enterprise is looking for deep, custom integrations, Salesforce is likely the better choice here. Next thing is automation. Salesforce shines in its AI and automation capabilities. From predictive analytics to automated workflows, it offers powerful tools for optimizing your sales cycle. However, you need to invest time in configuring these automations, which can be a hurdle for businesses without dedicated IT teams. Salesflare, on the other hand, is designed for simplicity. While it automates data entry seamlessly, it doesn't have the same deep automation features that Salesforce offers. If you're looking for advanced automation across multiple teams or departments, Salesforce wins out. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customer support. Salesforce offers extensive support options, including a large community of developers and consultants. But as with everything Salesforce, support can be pricey, especially when you need personalized help. Salesflare, in contrast, offers more hands-on, direct support for its users. Their customer service is known for being quick to respond and very approachable, which is great for smaller teams, but might lack the depth needed for larger enterprises with more complex needs. Finally, pricing. Salesforce's pricing structure can be a real deal breaker for some enterprises. With its tiered plans and add-on costs, it can quickly become one of the more expensive CRM systems out there. Salesflare, while still a premium product, has a more straightforward pricing model that makes it easier for smaller enterprises or teams to get started without breaking the bank. However, as mentioned earlier, for large-scale enterprises, Salesflare may lack the features that justify the higher price tag of Salesforce in some cases. So, both Salesforce and Salesflare have their merits, but when it comes down to it, if you're an enterprise looking for the most scalable, customizable, and feature-rich solution, Salesforce is likely your best bet. That being said, if you're looking for a simpler solution that doesn't require a massive investment in setup, maintenance, and customization, Salesflare is worth considering. But here's where it gets interesting. After trying both of these, I discovered a competitor that offers an even more efficient solution, one that addresses the best features of both Salesforce and Salesflare, with none of the pain points. If you want a better alternative to Salesflare and Salesforce for your enterprise's CRM needs, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.